And right now, we will make the heel-toe combination. It will look like this. At first, left foot in the front, weight on heel, and the right foot in the back on toes, both chosen in the diagonal position as starting position. Then we twist feet at the same time, left foot in the front twists the toes to the left side, and right foot twists the heel with the weight on toes to the right side. After this, we switch the positions of our feet with a little hop. From here, we twist the feet again, right foot on heel, twist the toes to the right side, left foot in the back, twist with the weight on toes, the heel to the left side. And then we move with the left foot with the weight on our heel, toes to the outside. At the same time, we make the back step. And then we come back to the middle, to the closed V-step position again. Start first heel-toe twist, switch, second heel-toe twist, and from here straight to the T-step position. And we come back to the closed V-step. This is everything you need to master the moves. And if you don't know how to do the heel-toes correctly, check the other videos that I already uploaded. Got all the skills to perfect it. I'll see you in the next video, your Petit Moves. And right now, I will show you the whole choreography.
Boy, fast forward, it's gotta be real big. I gotta make it just for my kids and for their kids' kids. That's rough years and years. Promise my brother soon as he out to finish this bid, we finna do it bigger than anybody ever did. The odds is real big, jobs that's real big.